this thing on?
Twisted, baby, I'm a goner, I'm a monster. Don't listen to what I say, cause I say things that I don't mean. When the liquor speak, don't wanna break your pretty heart, cause I love to lay when laying this next to you. I feel alive, I'm shawty on my side, let's dance. I like that, yeah, I like that, yeah, I like that. Angel running fingers through my hair. I like that, yeah, I like that, yeah, I like that. Way we touching got you singing, yeah.
Alright, finished product. I'm going to show you the products I used. So this Diablo wheel cleaner for the wheels and tires. This graphene shampoo by Adams Polishes for the foam cannon. And then I'm using this Renegade vinyl and plastic for the tire shine. And that's it. Alright. Now it's time for the badge of honor. Alright, here it is. FSD Beta Robotaxi and Training Sticker. The badge of honor. Alright, let's go!